to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Japanese style rice without a rice cooker. I've got 400 grams of rice. This is a short grain rice. That's what we use, but you may find it sushi rice or even medium grain rice is okay. But not the long grain rice because it's too fluffy, not very sticky. So this is a sticky kind. I'm going to wash this very quickly. And then into the bowl, because this water is actually good for the garden, so you can water it later. I'm going to just rub it like this, and then more water. And quickly discard. The reason why I do it quickly is that this water has sort of a smell, so you don't want the rice to saturate that. So we do that quickly. And discard. So after 3 times or 4 times, the water is not that white. It doesn't have to be completely clear. So this should be fine. And then you can just pour water and leave it for an hour until the rice gets enough water saturated. After an hour, the rice is nice and white, so that means water is saturated. I'm going to put it in the pot. I recommend heavy based pot like this one. So after you pour the water and rice in the pot, check the weight, and if it's less than 1,100 grams, adjust the water, add a little more water to aim 1,100. And what happens is that I used 400 grams of rice, and you just calculate 400 times 2.75, that is 1,100. So that's the whole water and rice amount. Now I'm going to boil it on a high heat. And please stay nearby so that it doesn't boil over. Once the rice is boiling like this, you can stir it so that the heat distribution's really even. And then turn the heat down to really low for a very gentle simmer. And then put the lid on and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of simmering, the water is absorbed, and you keep the lid on for another 10 minutes so that it keeps steaming, and then cooks it further. After 10 minutes, you can open the lid and you can mix, sort of tossing the bottom bit into the air. So it's all nicely cooked. And then after mixing a little bit, you can put the lid back on and rest for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can serve. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.